As an engineer, you meet so many people, you collaborate with people, you get in the community, and you're giving back service. And that's what you do in the Miss America opportunity as well. And it actually perfectly goes hand in hand for me because my service initiative is Engineer Her Future, and I'm an engineer living in that exact circumstance. Hi, my name is Grace Hanke. I am the new Miss Michigan 2026, and I am a mechanical engineering student here at the University of Detroit Mercy. I grew up going to school in St. Clair Shores at Lakeshore High School, and I decided one day that I wanted to become a mechanical engineer here. I was awarded the full tuition scholarship for the SEED program here, and I was like, this is where I'm supposed to be. This opportunity was presented to me, and I just love it. I really like that I'm able to meet with all of my professors, have that one-on-one experience with them, and that was something that was really important for me for my education and learning. I knew I wanted to do engineering, but I didn't know what type. And then when I started to look into the different types that they offer here at the university, I realized that mechanical really leaves an open plate. It has many different opportunities that are within it, and the job isn't just one thing, it can be multiple things. So Engineer Her Future started when I walked into my first engineering class and I had a moment of doubt. I doubted if I belonged there, I doubted if that was a space for me, but it ended up being what sparked my initiative. And from here on out, I realized that I want more women to see that they belong in these fields. And I've done that through partnerships. So through the Society of Women Engineers, I've been able to go to DC and advocate for young women in engineering, but also for STEM education funding. And then also through the National Society of Professional Engineers, I've done outreach and messaging. So through social media, I'm able to share what engineering truly is. If it wasn't for me being introduced to somebody that was an engineer when I was young, I would have never known that this was an opportunity for me. And women only make up 1/5 of the engineering workforce, so we're limiting our perspective when it comes to engineering. Engineering is all about collaborating, meeting with other people. No matter who it is around you, you need to learn from each other. And if we don't have women in that space, they're not bringing what women truly bring to the table. I joined in the Miss America opportunity because I knew I wanted to further my education. That's something I'm really passionate about, and this makes it possible for young women. I loved to sing, I loved to speak, but doing it on stage was something I was scared of. And the first time I did it, I fell in love with it. It wasn't just the fact that I get to share stuff that I'm passionate about, but realizing that other young women are going to be inspired by some of the things that I do, and that's truly what it's about. All of my projects I've done here have been truly inspiring to me, but I remember in my first, it was kind of a computer science class, I can't remember exactly the name, but we worked on a robot, and that was my first engineering experience ever. I've only taken math classes and some other science classes, so it was definitely a challenge for me, but I like having a challenge. So it was really cool to be able to make a robot and work with my classmates. Last year, I went to Miss Michigan as well as Miss St. Clair Shores. So I had a Miss title, I went to Miss Michigan, and I walked away without placing. But I did get the STEAM scholarship, which was my main goal going into it, was trying to get recognized for what I've been doing with STEM. But when I went to Miss Michigan this year, I just truly was at peace and just shared my heart. I stopped thinking about what should I say or what can I do, but rather of how do I actually feel and how do I want to present myself in a way that shows who I truly am. It definitely took me some time to settle. I was like, what the heck just happened? But after some time of thinking about it, I'm just so excited to use this platform. I've already done so much leading to it, but now with a title like this, we have so many more opportunities to get out to so many more people. And that was my goal as a local title holder, as a state title holder, and hopefully one day as a Miss America as well. I worked so hard this whole year leading up to Miss Michigan, trying to get my service initiative out there, but also just stepping into my maturity and giving back to people. This organization has given so much to me, but I want to spread out all the things that are coming my way to the people around me as well. It's truly so important to inspire others, and I hope that I do that as Miss Michigan.